Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So, I discussed with Sarah about, and she told me some topics that we have to cover. Most of them we have already covered, but I thought we might revise few of those topics. So, I'll make a couple of short videos today, so that topics are covered. So, if you have any questions, we will discuss these in the next class. So, note down if you have any questions, if you have any queries, and tomorrow we will have a regular class, and we will surely if you have any question, any queries in the next class, and do one or two, like couple of practice questions also in the next class. So the first topic for today is negative numbers. So although we have already covered negative numbers, but on her recommendation, we will do it once more and spend a little time on negative numbers. So for negative numbers, I will start with the number line. Like if we, so this is the number line, and if I place some, if you start from 0 over here, so we can move on to moving from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if we keep on moving, we can move up to infinity, like thousands and 100,000, millions and millions. If we keep on moving towards the right side, so this side moves to positive infinity. So all of these numbers on the right side, they are positive numbers. 1, 2, 5, 8, and if you move on, then like hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and up to infinity. And if you move towards the left side, if you start from the first number on the left side will be -1, the second number will be -2, the third one is -3, and if we keep on moving towards the left side, the negative numbers, the negative side increases towards the left side. For example, this is -10, and after that minus hundreds and thousands, and then millions and billions. So this, if we keep on moving towards this side, this will move it up till negative infinity. So this is how the number line works. If you move towards the right side, it will move towards the positive numbers, and if we go towards the left side, it shows the negative numbers. So like if we can, as we can add positive numbers, subtract positive numbers, so we can do same operations with the negative numbers also. For example, if I do a simple addition question, 7 plus 3, this is equal to 10, because when we are at the number line, this is 0, this is 7, and by adding 3, we like adding 3 means move right or jump towards right side 3 steps. So this will be equal to 10. So if the question was 7 minus 3, the negative means moving towards the left side. So 7 minus 3 will be equal to 4. We have to move 3 steps towards the left side on the number line. So we are adding something, the positive or addition means moving on the right side, and if we are subtracting something, that means moving towards the left side. So next thing is dealing with the negative numbers. So rather than 7 plus 3, let's say we have a question -7 -3. So both of these, -7 is a negative number, and we are further subtracting -3 from a negative number. So let's draw the number line again. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, and we have -7 somewhere over here. And we have already discussed that subtracting means move 3 steps towards the left side. So on the left side, numbers are increasing in the negative direction, or negative numbers are increasing. So 3 step left mean this will be equal to -10. So -7 minus 3 will be equal to -10. And if we plus add 3 in -7, then addition means moving towards the right side. So that means -7, -5, -6, and -4. -4. So -7 plus 3 will be equal to -4. So this is how the number line works. Let's solve a couple of more examples. Clear. Okay. So the next question is -10 -5 -5 -8. Then we have -5 plus 3, and then we have -5 plus 10. So we have these 4 questions, and we will try to solve by using number line. So this is number line. You can do the simple mathematics by using your mind. So I'm drawing the number line just to explain everything in detail. So this is 0. On the right side we have positive numbers, and on the negative side we have negative numbers. So let's mark -5, -10, +5, and +10. This is -5, -10, +5, and +10. So between these multiples of 5, we have further 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, then 6, 7. So it moves on like that. So the first question is, we have a negative number -10. So we are currently at this position, -10, and we have to subtract 5 from -10. So that means we are moving 5 steps further towards the left side. 4, 5. So at this point we get -15. So at -10 -5 is equal to -15. Negative means subtracting means we have to jump towards the left side. So the next question is -5 -8. So that means we are currently at this spot, -5, and we have to subtract 8 from it. So we will have 8 steps towards the left side: 5, 6, 7, and 8. So -11, -12, and -13. So we get -13 at the -8 step. The next question is -5 plus 3. So addition means jump towards the right side. So -5 plus 3. So we have to make 3 jumps towards the right side. So this will be equal to -4, -3, and -2. And the final one is start from -5 and jump 10 steps toward right. So that's equal to start from -5 and jump 10 steps toward right. So these are 5 and 5, 10 jumps. So we get +5. So this is how the negative numbers work. I'll make another short video for the next tutorial